Stop using AE to painstakingly remove the green screen. Today, I'll teach you a new animation workflow. A new animation workflow that can increase efficiency tenfold. As long as you combine Figma plugin with any AI image and video tools, you can generate motion effect files that can be used directly. Exported motion graphics files are WebM, APNG, Web, serial frames, adjustable size, file size, and frame rate. You can also force the loop animation. Find an AI tool that suits you. I'm using ChromaKey now. Then generate images through text-to-image. And then generate video to generate the effect you want. Make sure it has a pure green background and export it to local storage. Then open Figma. Find ChromaKey Pro in the Figma plugin. Then open and run it. And then select the one you just downloaded. Import the green screen video file. You can adjust the parameters here. Then adjust it here. Then click Next. Then select the format you want to export. I choose WebM. Then select Forced Loop. Set the forced loop to 1.4 seconds. Then you can preview it. After previewing, if there is no problem with the overall effect, you can export it now. The file size after exporting. WebM is more than 200,000. Yes, and the web format is also more than 200,000. And then include this animation of the sprite sequence frame. You can open it to have a look. And the overall file is also relatively large. Of course, you can adjust it according to the actual situation. You can optimize it yourself. Finally, you can put it in Figma to see the effect of this animation in the UI interface. The effect is still good. If you don't have Figma, can use this website. There is a trial version, and the fee is very cheap. It's only half a cup of coffee. Its effect and function are exactly the same as Figma.
点赞关注，下期见。